What?
Recording in
No.
progress.
Next. So we discussed two string functions, upper and lower. There is one called len function. Len. Then len function. What is a len function is returns string length, that is number of characters. Len returns string length. Hello. Then that is number of characters. Okay. Then so suppose here len, you pass string, len function, you pass string. Select what? Len of what? Hello. Len of hello. What this gives? Number of characters. How many characters? 5. Okay, now how many characters? 5 characters. Length of 5. Len of hello. Len of hello. So this returns number of characters, 5 characters. Then next, suppose for example, if I give select len of hello welcome, space is counted or not? Yes, space is also counted as one character. So how many characters? 13. So this is 5. This is 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Space is 1. So 13 characters. Welcome. Hello, welcome. This is 13. Okay, na? Then no. Next. Okay, then next one. For example, I'll ask, so display employees. Okay, na? Then I want to see the employees, display employees. Okay, name contains 5 characters. I want to see the employees, display employees, name contains 5 characters. Already you know one method. What that is? Already know one method. Select star from EMP where not using len. You already know one method. Not len. How? Without using len function. You already know that. Huh? Name contains 5 characters. E-name. Then like 5 characters means 5 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 underscores. Select star from EMP where E-name like 5 underscores. Okay, na? Each underscore means what? Each underscore means 1 character. Each underscore is equal to 1 character. So this is what? 5 characters. Name contains 5. So then all these names contains what? 5 characters. Smith, Allen, Jones, Blake, Clark, Scott, Adams, like this. The name contains 5 characters. Okay, then but sometimes it is difficult. Using operator, it is difficult. Using function, it is easy. Sometimes writing condition using operator is difficult. Writing condition using function, it is easy. Suppose I'll ask name contain 30 characters. How many underscores you have to give? 30 underscore. Giving 30 underscores is difficult or not? Yes. So that's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is writing conditions using operators is difficult sometimes, but using function, it is what? Easy. How to use function? You have to use like this. Select star from what? EMP where what? Len of ename equals to 5. Okay, na? Select star from EMP where len of ename equals to 5. So the name contains what? 5 characters. Okay, na? Select start from EMP where ename length of ename equals to 5. So the name contains 5. But you'll get the same output or not? Yes or no? Yes. Output wise same. Output wise what's that? Same. Okay, na? Then. But name contain 30 characters. Then name contain 30 characters. Then length of ename equal to what? 30. Length of ename equal to 30. Yes or no? Then. So using this function, anything is okay. 5, 30, anything is okay. Then. But in the output, it's not showing the, suppose I'm selecting ename. I'm not showing all, I'm selecting only ename. Then it will show only the ename. In the output, it's not showing the length. Why? It's not showing the length in the output. Why? Because we are not selecting, that's all. Sir, if you call the function in where class means, it will not show. If you call the function in select, then it will show. This is for checking the condition, that's all. But in the output, you cannot see the length. If you want to see the length in the output, then select. You have to write it in select. If you write it in select, then it will show length of ename. Then it will show. See that length 5, 5, 5, 5. All are 5 or not? Yes. Understood, na? Then in output, if you want to see, then you have to call. If you call, then it will show. If you don't call, then it will not show. Okay. Then now. Next. For example, like suppose select star from EMP, then I'll say order by length of ename. Just listen. Order by length of ename. Now sorting is not based on name wise. Sorting is based on what? Length wise. Sorting is based on what's that? Length wise. Sorting is not based on name wise. Sorting is based on what? Length wise. Okay, then sorting based on length. So first it will show name contains 4, next one 5, next one 6. Okay, na? Then see that all these names contains 4 characters. Next names contains what? 5 characters. Last name contains what? 6 characters. Name contains 4, name contains 5, name contains what? 6 characters. So this query will show the name contains 6 characters. Sorting is based on lengthwise. Yes or no? No. So wherever you want, you can call. Okay. In the output, I want to see the length. Then call it in. In output, I want to see the length. Call it in. Select. My condition based on length. Then call it in. Where clause. Sorting is based on length. Call it in. Sorting based on length. Call it in. Order by. Understood now? Then in output, I want to see the length. Call it in select. Condition based on length. Call it in where clause. Sorting is based on length. Call it in order by. So wherever you want, you can call. Okay, then. Okay, now next. That's all. This is what length function. Okay, then suppose I'll ask arrange employee list lengthwise. Arrange employee list length of ename wise ascending order. Arrange employee list, then length of ename wise ascending order. Then what? Select what star? Select star from EMP. Next one, order by. Then len of what? Ename ascending. Select sort from EMP, order by length of ename ascending. So sorting is based on what? Lengthwise. Okay, na? Then now, so then understood, na? Then next, there is a function called left function. There is a function called left. Then left function use it to extract what? Part of the string. Left use it to extract part of the string. Then left of what? Okay, na? Left of what? String. Next one, length. Select string comma length. Left of string comma length. Okay, na? Then select what? Left of. Suppose hello welcome comma 5. Left of hello welcome comma 5. Then select left of hello welcome comma 5. Left of hello welcome comma 5. Then what this gives? This gives what? 5 characters starting from left side. Sorry, 5 characters starting from left side. What are the 5 characters? Hello. So it will return hello. Okay, na? Then left of hello comma hello welcome comma 5. Next. Suppose I say like 1 second, then suppose here, see this left of hello, welcome five character hello. Starting from left side, 5 characters. Yes or no? One, then H2, HE, 2 characters. Okay, na? 3, then HEL. Okay, understood? Then, so this gives like left. Once again, suppose I want to see the employees name starts with S. Name starts with S. I want to see the employees name starts with S. Then whose name starts with S? I want employees list. What? Select what star from EMP where what? Select star from EMP where one method already you know. E name what, like what, S percentage. Yes, this already you know. Not using like operator. Not using like. Then tell me how. Sir, once again, see here name starts with S. First character equal to S. Starting with S means first character equal to S. Then how to get first character? How to get the first character from E name? How to get the first character from E name? Left of. Left of what? E name comma 1 equal to S. Select start from EMP where left of E name comma 1 equal to S. So left of E name comma 1 returns what? Left of E name comma 1 returns what? First character. If first character equal to S, then display. Yes or no? Then first character equal to S. Smith and Scott. So there are 2. Understood now? Then name starts with Sri something. Then name starts with SRI. Then E name comma what? 3 equal to SRI. Name starts with SRI. Comma 3 equal to SRI. Okay. Then. Okay now? Then. For example, like I'll take example. When like is difficult, when left is easy, I'll take one example. We'll see one more, then we'll take example. Right. Then right. What is this? Returns character starting from right side, but left function starts from left side. Right function starts from right side. So what is right function? Returns what? Character starting from what? Right side. So returns character starting from right side. Okay, then. So like right of string comma length. Then right of string comma length. Select right of what? Hello, welcome, comma 4. Then right of hello, welcome, comma 4. Then what? Comma 4. Then come COME. Right of hello, welcome, comma 4. COME. Okay, na? Then not EMOC. Not EMOC. COME. Okay, na? EMOC is not there in the string. COME is there in the string. Yes or no? Then so COME. Understood? Then now let's see. Suppose here then COME. Okay, na? I say 7, then I'll say 7, then welcome, welcome. 7 characters starting from right side, 7 characters. Welcome. Okay, next. Now, suppose I want to see the employees name, name ends with S, ends with S. Already you know using like, then select star from EMP where ename like what? Percentages. Ends with S means percentages. Okay, then, but not using like, tell me, not using like, then what? Select star from EMP where what? Right of ename comma 1 equal to what? S. Select star from EMP where ename right of ename comma 1 equal to S. Where right of ename comma 1 equal to S. Then what this gives? This gives what? Employees whose name ends with S. Name ends with S. Okay, na? Then so last character. This will return last character. If last character equal to S, then select. Understood, na? Then now you tell me this, for example, how to write then. So employees name starts and ends with same character. Starts and ends with same character. First, tell me using like. Tell me using like. Starting and ending with same character. What? Ename like what? Percentage. S. Percentage S. S percentage S. No, you read it. I didn't say S here. Name starts and ends with same character, but I didn't say S. It can be A, it can be B, it can be C, like this. I want to show the names. What's it? Okay, na? Then I want to show names like this. I want to show names like this. Okay, na? I want to show names what like this. I want to show name like this. What this is? I want to show all this. Starting and ending with what? Same character. A, D, S, N. Not like this, all A to Z. Then how to write? What? You have to write like this. A percentage A. Then what it will return? Starting with A, ending with A. Next one, what about B? R. R. E name like what? B percentage B. Or E name like what? C percentage C. How many conditions you have to write? How many conditions you have to write? 26 conditions you have to write. Difficult or not? Yes. So then that's all. What I'm saying is sometimes writing condition using operator is difficult. Using function, it is easy. So this is the example. But if you use like operator, then it is difficult to write. You have to write 26 conditions. Then we can simplify this by using what? Function. How? Select star from EMP where what left of select star from EMP where left of what first character was first character equal to what last character. First character equal to last character. What is the first character? Left of e name comma 1 equal to what? Right of e name comma 1. So what this gives? Tell me. This gives first character. What this gives? Last character. First character equal to last character, then select. Understood now? Then which is simple. Function is simple now. Then. Okay, now. So execute this query. Then what this query gives? Then no one. Why? No output means don't think that your query is wrong. Your query is correct, but no name is satisfying this condition. You want to test, then what? I want to test whether this query is working or not. Then you insert one row. You insert and check how to insert. Insert into EMP NO E name salary. Enough, na? Just for testing. Values name. Suppose I'm giving some name Nitin, salary 4,000. Yes. Insert the row into the table. One row affected. Values are inserted into 3 fields. What about the other fields? Null values. Remaining fields are filled with null values. Now one row is inserted. Now test the query. Now test the query. So what is the query? This is your query. So first character equal to last character. Nitin. Yes. Got it? Then that's all. So you want to test, you insert one row and test it. Okay, then. Okay. Just let me take one more example. After that, I'll go to another one. Suppose, for example, see, what they're asking is, they want to generate what they're asking, generate what's the email IDs for employees. Generate email IDs for employees. Generate email IDs for employees. What? What? I want to generate like this. What is the first one? Employee number, na? Your employee number. You see this table. In table, what is the first field? Employee number. Yes. Employee number. So next one, employee, what's her name? So e-name. I want output to be like this. I want email ID to be like this. So employee number is 7369. Name is what? Smith. I want SMI 736 at the rate. So like it's not personal email ID, it's company email ID. Company wants to generate email ID for every employee. So they want to generate like this. Company is TCS, tcs.com. Okay, na? Then 7499. Name is Alan. I want email ID to be ALL749@tcs.com. Okay, na? Then tell me what is SMI? SMI is what? First 3 characters from name. What is 736? First 3 digits from employee number. SMI is first 3 characters. 736 is first 3 digits from employee number. Both should be what? Both should be combine, concatenated. What that is called? Concatenated. Concatenate means join. Okay, na? Next. And the result should be joined with @tcs.com. The result should be joined with what, sir? @tcs.com. First three characters of name should be concatenated with first three digits of number should be concatenated with @tcs.com. Okay, na? Then what? Now, so let's see how. Once again. But in SQL, what is the operator for concatenation? Concatenation operator plus. What is the symbol for concatenation? Plus symbol. We use plus symbol for concatenation. Okay, na? Then. So suppose, for example, I'll say A plus B. A plus B. And then A plus B. Then what? AB. A plus B. AB. AB are what? AB are what's that? Concatenated. Then what this gives? AB. Then. Okay, na? Then. So like A and B are concatenated. Understood? Now tell me the query for this. What select what's that? Select what? EMPNO. Next one E name. Next one email ID. Then email ID. What is this is? First three characters. What is left of what's that? E name comma 3 plus what? Like what is right? Why right? 736. Why right? Left only, na? Then this is first three characters. Then what? Left of what? EMPNO comma 3. What this gives from E name? It will return first three characters. That is SMI. Plus means what? Concatenation. Concatenation. Left of EMPNO comma 3. 736. So SMI is concatenated with what? 736. Plus then @ what? TCS.com. This whole thing should be concatenated with @TCS.com. Then what this is as what? Email ID from EMP. That's all. Sir, understood or not? Huh? Okay, then. So let me run this query then. So for every employee, you see this 736, SMI 736, ALL 749, NIT 111. Okay, na? Understood? Then. Sir, what this query is doing? This query is showing email ID. Yes. This query is showing what? Email ID. But what is my requirement is? My requirement is store email IDs in database. Then what? I want to store these email IDs in database. Then now in the previous example, you are displaying the email IDs, but I want to store these email IDs in database. Then what? I want to store bus. I want to store the email IDs in database. if you want to store something in database there should be a table. In table there should be a column. There should be a table. In table there should be a column. Yes or no? Table is there or not? Yes. EMP table. In EMP table, any column is there for storing email ID? No column. Then first what? Add a column. Add a column. So what the step one? Add what? Email ID column to what? EMP table. Sir, previous ones we are displaying. We are not adding it to the table. Yes or no? You are displaying the email ID. Okay. But I want to store these email IDs in what? Database. So if you want to store something in database there should be a table. In table there should be a column. Table is there, employee table. In employee table, any column is there for storing email IDs? No. Then what? Add a column. How do you add a column? Alter table EMP, add what? Email ID, varchar of some 2030. Yes or no? After executing this command, what happens? A new column is what, sir? Added. After executing this command, a new column is added to the table. Commands completed what? Successfully. A new column is added. You want to see that? You see the table, select star from what? EMP. See that. First see the table. So in table, so the email ID column is added or not? Yes. And by default, this column is filled with what? Null values. I want to insert the data into the new column. Then what? Update. Just listen. Update EMP set email ID equal to. This should be filled with email ID. What is the email ID formula? First three characters of name concatenate with first three digits of employee number. Then what? Left of ename comma 3 plus left of EMP and comma 3 plus at the rate what? TCS dot what? Com. Next, you want to update all the records on specific rows. You want to update all the rows on specific rows. All the rows. All the employees are specific employees. All the employees. Then where condition is required or not required? Not required. You want specific, then where condition is required. Yes or no? Now let me run this. 16 rows, what's it? Affected. Now see the table. Select star from what? EMP. Select star from EMP. Now see this. Now the email IDs are part of the table or not? Yes. Email IDs are stored in what? Table, database. Okay. So remember, if you want to store something in database, then first add a column, then update the column. Okay. Then. So this is step one. Step two, what? Step two, update the column with what? Email IDs. Okay, now then now okay, that's how this is What then? Now they are permanent or not? Yes or no? Tomorrow, if you come and see the table, will you find the email IDs? Yes. Do we need to execute update? Sorry, commit. Do we need to execute commit? No. Why? Auto commit. Operations are what? Auto commit. Yes or no? Every operation is automatically committed, saved. We don't need to manually save, automatically saved. Understood? Then okay. But left always starts from left side. Right always starts from right side. But I want to start from specific position, not from first character, not from last character. I want to start from the middle. Then in that case, use a function called substring function. Substring. Substring function. And use it to extract part of the string starting from specific position. Use it to extract part of the string starting from specific position. Use it to extract part of the string starting from specific position. So substring, what? String comma, like start comma length. This takes, like, for left function, for right function, what you have to pass? See the left and right functions, what do you have to pass? Length. String, after string you have to pass what? Length. But here you have to pass what? Start also. Start and length. You have to pass start and you have to pass length. Because here start is required. For left function, start is not required. Why? Because it always starts from first. Right function also start is not required because it always starts from last. But this requires what? Start. Where you want to start from? Okay, na? Then. So example, see, select what? Substring what? Hello, welcome, comma 7, comma 4. Substring of hello, welcome 7, comma 4. What is the meaning? Starting from what? 7th character. Starting from 7th character, how many characters you want? 4 characters. Starting from 7th character, how many characters you want? 4. 4 characters. Then tell me what? What is the 7th character? Just now I said space is also one character. Why you are not counting the space? Hello, 5. 5. Space is 6. W is 7. Then start from W. How many I am asking? 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then W, E, L, C. So select substring of hello, welcome 7, comma 4. So starting from 7th character, how many characters you want? 4 characters. Okay, then. Sir, okay, na? Then that's all. That is the only difference between left to right and what? Substring. Okay, then. So this one, what this gives? This gives what? Then 7 WELC. If I say 10, comma 3, 10, comma 3, 10, comma 3, then Starting from 10th character, how many characters I'm asking? 3 characters. Starting from 10th character, I'm asking 3 characters. Then what this gives? COM. This is 7, no? This is what? 8. This is 9. This is 10. Starting from 10. 3. COM. Okay. Then. Understood? No. Like similarly, there is a call, okay, na? One is that, what that is? There is a function, what's a replicate? There is a what? Replicate. Replicate means what? Replicate. Okay, then. So this function used to repeat character for given number of times. Use it to repeat character for given number of times. Okay, na? To repeat the character for given number of times. Okay, and so replicate, what? Replicate, what is string? Then plus what? Character, sorry, character. Then first one is, once again, replicate, then replicate what? So character plus what? Length. How many times you want to repeat? Length. Example, replicate what? So what do you want to repeat? Star. How many times you want to repeat? 10 times. Star is repeated how many times? 10 times. Then it will print how many tens? How many stars? 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 stars. Replicate what? Star comma 10 stars. How many times star is repeated? 10 times. So 10 times star is repeated. Then 10 stars. Okay, na? No. So next. Okay, na? Then if I give 5, star is repeated how many times? 5 times. 5 times star is repeated. Suppose I'll ask display employee name, next one salary. Name and salary. I want to show the name and salary, but don't show the actual salaries. Show stars. Show what's it? Stars. What is the first employee's salary? Just 1 second. Select star from what? Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. Salary. First employee's salary is what? Like this is all. I inserted this rows. 1 second. Delete from EMP. Where? What? Where? What's her? Department number is what? Null. Just 1 second. I inserted these rows. They're not there in the table, actual table. Then this is the table. So your salaries are there. But what is the first employee's salary? 1000 dot dot. So actual salary is what? 1000 salary is what? 1000.00. Then what I want to show? Star 4 stars plus 3. Total how many? 7. Because how many characters are there? How many are digits are there? 7. So 7. I want to print 7 stars. Okay, na? So salary is 50,000. Then 50,000.00. Then 8 stars. I want to print 8 stars. Depends on how many. Okay, na? Then tell me how to write. What? Select what? Select E name, then don't show salary bus. If I say like what, E name, suppose E name comma salary, then it will show salaries. But I don't want to show the salaries. I want to show starts. Then what? Replicate. Use replicate. Then replicate. Replicate. What do you want? Star. How many stars you want? How many stars you want? Depends on salary. If salary contains how many digits, that many. Then what? How to find the number of digits in salary? Find the length. Find the what? Length. Length of what? Salary. Length of salary. Okay, na? As salary. So then now see that now salaries, it is not showing the actual salaries. It is showing what? Starts. How many starts? Depends on length. So first one is 1000.00. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, na? 4 plus 3, what? 7. Next one. Like that. So there is a James 950.00. Then 6. Now it is showing how many starts? 6 starts. And so now okay, na? No. Okay. For example, just see this. This is, you understood this? Huh? What we are doing, hiding the salaries, not showing the actual salaries, hiding the salaries. Okay. Like password is there. Password. Don't show the actual password. Show what? Starts. So that case it is useful. Okay, na? Then once again, like let's say, for example, one scenario, like one example, then see, there is one table. The table is accounts table. Account number is there. Account number, balance is there. Tell me, account number contains how many digits? How many digits? 12 digits. 12. Okay, let's take 12 digits. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose 6, 2, 3. Yes. So total how many digits? 12 digits. Account number. So this is the account number. So customer go to ATM. Customer withdraw the amount. After withdrawing the amount, you receive SMS. In that SMS, they will mention like this: your account number XXX 9623. Okay, na? Then debited something. So you get the message something like this. Yes or no? Your account number XXX 9623 debited something. So this is the message you receive. Understood or not? Then tell me what? Your account number like XXX 9623 debited this. Then tell me what? So I don't want to show the full account number in SMS for security purpose. I want to show last 4 digits. Remaining, I want to fill with what? XXS. Then tell me how to show the account number like this. That's all. Issues are like this only. When you can able to find this solution, if you know the functions, If you have the command over this function, then easily you'll get the ideas. If you don't know the function, then you cannot even get the idea also. Okay, na? Then like tell me what. Okay, select. Okay, leave it. Okay, na? Like I want only this. I want, tell me the expression to display this one. What? 4x. Next, last 4 digits. First 4x. How to get 4x? How to get 4x? Replicate x comma 4. Replicate x comma 4. Then what I will get? 4x. Concatenate this 4x with the last 4 digits. How to get the last 4 digits? Write off account number comma 4. That's how. So 4x plus means what? Concatenate. 4x concatenated with the last 4 digits of account number. That's all. Sir, okay, na? So not showing the full account number. It will show only the last 4 digits, remaining fill with what? X. So I want to test this. Then I want to test whether this is working or not. How to test? First create what? Table. First create the table because table is not there. Then first create the table. First create the table. What? Create table. What? Create table. What's that? Accounts table. Create table. Accounts table. What one? Account number. What? Integer or big integer something. Next one. What is the next one is balance. Balance is what type? Money type. Insert the data. Insert into what? Accounts values. Account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 3, comma what? 10,000. Okay, na? Then insert into accounts values like this. Then invalid object name accounts are why I not created the. Okay, let me first create the table, then execute insert command. Okay, na? One row created the table, executed the insert command. So this is the actual table. Select star from what? Select star from accounts table. Select star from accounts table. Account number. Next one, balance. Okay, na? Then next after this. So run the query. I'll execute this expression. I want output to be like this. I'm executing this expression. Now select what? Execute this one. So when you execute this, just check whether you are getting the output or not. Account number, na? From which table? From accounts table. From accounts table. Yes or no? So let me run this here. XXX8963. Yes or no? Understood? Okay. So if you want to test, then what you do? First, create the table, insert the row. Next one, run this expression. Sir, okay, na? Then you know how to create the table. You know how to insert. What is important here? This one. How to write this? Okay. Okay then. So this is what, how to use what, sir? Replicate. How to use replicate. How to use replicate. Next. Next one. What the next one is? See. Now. Just in string functions, there are two functions are left. One is, there is a function called what's that? Replace. There is a called replace. There is a called replace. Then what this is, use it to replace what? One string with what? Another string. Function use it to replace one string with another string. So use it to replace one string with another string. Okay, then. So replace what? Replace what? String 1, next one string 2, next one string 3. Replace string 1, string 2, string 3. Okay, na? Replace string 1, string 2, string 3. So use it to replace one string with what? Another string. Then what this will, what it will do? In string 1, string 2, replace it with what? String 3. In string 1, string 2 replace it with string 3. Okay. String 1 replace it with string 2. What are the advantages? Like, if you know this, if you know these functions, next you learn, suppose Power BI, same functions will be there. You go to Power Apps, same functions will be there. Like, that's all. If you know functions in one, if you go to another language also, you can find what? Same, maybe with a different name. What is with different name? So here, what the function here? What is the function in SQL? Substring. So go to Oracle. Suppose go to Oracle. In Oracle, suppose what? Like in my system, username is this. Then password is this. So select what's it? Substring. Like what? Hello. Next one. Welcome from dual. Here dual means dummy table. Then what this is saying? Invalid identifier. Means it is not there in Oracle. But what is there in Oracle? SUB, STR. Hello, what's that? Hello, welcome, comma. Okay, na? 7, comma 4. From what? Dual. So WELC. Sorry. Then by mistake I written like this. Then now let's see this. Hello, welcome. So WELC. Here what is the function name? SUB, STR. That means one to another. What is the difference? Maybe name is different. One to another, maybe name changes. One says what? Substring. Another one says SUB, STR, like that. But functionality is what? Same. Functionality is same. Select what's that? Upper of what? Hello. From what? Dual. Select what? Lower of what? Hello. From what? Dual. Converts to lowercase. Same functions are there in Oracle also. Select what's that? Len. Len of what? Hello. Len of hello from what? Dual. Then what? Invalid. Why? Len is not there. What is there in Oracle? You have to say what's that? Length function. Sir, okay, na? Same thing will be there in Oracle, one database to another database. Then, but what is the difference? Names may be different. Okay, na? Then, okay. Now, so replace. What is this? Is replacing what? One string with what, sir? Another string. Suppose, for example, select what? Replace. Select replace. Suppose hello, then ELL. Next one ABC. Then what? Hello ELL ABC. Huh? Hello ELL ABC. Then what? What is the meaning? So in string hello, ELL is replaced with what, sir? ABC. In string hello, ELL is replaced with ABC. Then what is the output? H ABC what? O. H ABC O. Okay, na? Wherever it finds ELL, so replace ELL with what? ABC. After replacing ELL with ABC, what the string becomes? HABCO. Sir, okay, na? Then. So replacing one string with another string. Okay, then. For example, like once again, for example, I say L, only L with ABC. Then I say L with ABC. What is the first? H. Are you replacing H? Are you replacing H? No. Next one. What is the next one? E. Are you replacing E? No. Next one, L. Are you replacing L? Yes. L is replaced with ABC. Then ABC. What is the next character? L. But L is replaced with what? ABC. ABC. Again ABC. Again ABC. Next one, O. Are you replacing O? No. Then what is the output? HE ABC ABC. So how many L's are there? 2 L's. Each L is replaced with ABC. HE. First L is replaced with ABC. Second L is also replaced with ABC. Then O is there now. Sorry. What is the next one? O is replaced now, not replaced now. Not replaced. Then O. HE ABC ABC O. Then so run this yet. Then HE ABC ABC O. Yes or no? Okay. Next. Next. So then next. But suppose, for example, just once again, suppose I'll say ELO. I say ELO. ELO with ABC. Then H. ELO ABC. What? Here ELL. ELL ABC. ELL is replaced with what? ABC. L is replaced with what? ABC. Tell me, ELO is there or not there? Not there. If it is not there, not replaced. ELO is there or not there? Sir, characters are there. String is not there. Don't see individual characters. See one string to string. So this is used to replace one string with another string. So tell me, ELO string is there or not there? Not there, not replaced. Then what is the output? Output is one hello. Then you run this. Okay. Then same output. So hello, you'll get a hello because it's not replaced. ELO is not replaced. Why it is not replaced? Because it's not there. If it is there, it is replaced. If it is not there, it is not replaced. Understood? Then now. But if I write like this, for example, hello, then ELL, next one, open single quotes and close, then open single quotes and close. Open single quotes and close, immediately close it. That means what? Null. Null. That means ELL is replaced with what? Null. Then what the output? HO. HO. ELL is replaced with what? Null. That means the string is removed. Indirectly, you are removing the string. From hello, you are removing ELL. Yes or no? Then execute this query. Then so what this gives? This gives what? HO. HO. Sir, okay, na? Wherever it finds ELL, ELL is replaced with what? Null. That means after removing this ELL, what the string becomes? HO. Understood? Then. Okay. Next. So, for example, once again, there is a question like this. What is remove? Then remove what? Like at the rate something from what? At the rate HE, at the rate LL, at the rate O, at the rate something. So they asked one question. By mistake, this string is filled with some character. What that character it is filled with? At the rate. They want to remove this at the rate. Then what the output they want? They wanted this output hello. They want this output hello. Then remove this at the rate. How to remove the at the rate? Same logic. What? Select what is that? Replace. Then what the string? This is the actual string. This is the actual string. This is the actual string. Yes or no? Then what? Next at the rate. This is at the rate. And then comma. What do you want to replace at the rate? Replace at the rate with what? Null. Okay, na? Null. So select replace of at the rate. Then wherever it finds at the rate is replaced with what? Null. That means at the rate is removed or not? Yes. Then what the output will get? Hello. So run this query. Hello. How to remember all this? You can't remember. One cannot remember all this. If you try to remember, definitely you'll forget. Then what? Practice. If you practice, you don't need to remember. Automatically you'll get. If you practice this 1 or 2 times, if you type replace, automatically you'll get what are the parameters, what are the arguments. Okay, na? Then Now, so how to remove the special character from string? Then how to remove the special character from the string? By using replace. So replace that special character with what? Replace the special character with what? Null. Null means open single quotes and close. Wherever at the rate is there, replace it with null. So then final output is what? Hello. Okay, na? Then. So what is this is? This is what's string to string. There is one more. What that is? Translate. This is character to character. Replaces string to string. But what is translate is use it to translate one character to another character. So replace and translate, what the difference is? Replace is one string to string, but translate is one character to character, one character to another character. That is previous one is one string to another string, but this is one character to another character. Okay, then this is what? String 1, string 2, string 3. You cross string, but here conversion is what? 1 to another character. Okay. So translation is character to character, replaces string to string. Okay, then. Now, okay, then. Example, select translate hello ELO ABC. What? Select translate of hello, comma ELO, comma ABC. What? Translate of hello, comma ELO, comma ABC. Then are you translating H? Are you translating H? No. Okay, na? Are you translating H? No. H is written. Are you translating E? Yes. You see that. Here you're translating ELO to what? ABC. But it is not string to string. It is what? Character. E is translated to what? A. L is translated to what? B. O translated to what? C. O is translated to C. E to A, L to B, O to C. E to A, L to B, O to C. Now tell me, are you translating H? No. H is written what, sir? As it is. Are you translating E? Yes. E translated to what? A. Next one. Are you translating L? Yes. L is translated to what? B. Next, are you translating L? Yes. L is translated to what? B. What the next one is? O. Are you translating O? Yes. O is translated to what? C. HABBC. So it's not string to string. It is what? Character to character. So E to A, L to B, O to C. Okay, then. Now run this here. Then run this. HA BBC. Yes or no? Then. So translation is what? Translation is what, sir? Character to character. Like I'll say A, B, C, D. Then. So, but if you say like this, it gives what? Error. So what is the point here? In translate function, sir, in translate function, the length should be same. Here, length is how many? 3 characters. Here also 3. Translation should be, so how many characters you are translating? 3. It should be translated to 3 characters only. It cannot be translated to what? 4 characters. That is why what it is saying, second and third arguments of translate function must contain what? Equal number of characters. Number of characters should be same, because 3 characters are translated to 3 only, but 3 characters cannot be translated to 4. Suppose here ELOH. Suppose I am saying like this. ELOH cannot be translated to what? 3 characters. 4 characters cannot be translated to 3. So number of characters should what, sir? Match. But 4 characters can be translated to 4. Yes. Here H is translated to what? D. So that's why first one is what? H. Then it is saying D. Sir, okay, na? Understood? Then. So, but where translate function is what? Useful. Where translate function is useful. Okay, then. Where translate function is useful. Sir, can we replace with null? Can we translate to null? Can we translate to null? Just now I said, na, what that is? Number of characters should be same. So you are translating 3 characters to null. That will not work. This gives what? Error. Yes or no? So translation cannot be null. So if you translate to null, what this command gives? Error. Okay, then. Oh. Next. So suppose here, then. Next. Sir, what the point here? Translate function can be used to encrypt data. Translate function is used to encrypt data. What is the meaning? Encryption means, encryption means by using translate function, we can encrypt the data. What is encryption means? Converting what? Okay, na? What the definition of encryption is? That is converting what? Plain text to what's it? Ciphertext. So it can be used to encrypt data, that is converting plain text to ciphertext. What is plain text means? This is plain text. What is ciphertext means? Ciphertext. What is the ciphertext? The text that we cannot understand. What is ciphertext means? The text that you cannot understand. That is called ciphertext. If you understand the text, this is plain. If you don't understand the text, then it is cipher. So what is, so translate function, you can use translate function to convert plain text to what? Ciphertext. Sir, okay, na? Then. Usually, what are encrypted? Usually, what are encrypted? Usually, what are encrypted means, okay, passwords are encrypted. Passwords are not stored as it is in database. Before storing the password, then what SQL server will do? SQL server will encrypt. You take net banking password. The net banking password is not stored as it is in database. Before they store password, that is encrypted. Okay, na? Bank PIN numbers are encrypted. PIN number is there. That PIN number is what's encrypted. PIN number is not stored as it is in database. Before storing the PIN number, they'll encrypt. Okay, na? Then. So all this is sends to data. So this data is what? Encrypted. Before they store, the data is what? Encrypted. How to encrypt? We can use what? We can use translate. One simple function is we can use translate function to encrypt the data. Understood? Sir, okay, na? Then. So we can use translate function to encrypt. But how means we'll see that in the next class.